Yeehaw! I'm going to show you how to make a redneck. We're going to start off with some ice. Put that there in your glass, just like so. I actually am from Oklahoma, so I probably shouldn't talk. Now that you have your ice in your glass, we're not going to rinse it. We're going to take that ice and we're going to use the funky taste from the freezer, and that's going to make this drink that much more redneck. All right. Now we're going to add to that 1/4 to 1/2 part of Southern Comfort. Now that's really up to you. How brave are you feeling? How red is your neck? I'm feeling pretty redneck right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do 4 ounces of Southern Comfort. That's 3, and right there, that's 4. All right. I'm going to fill this up the rest of the way with Mountain Dew, because once you get your redneck drunk, you want to get them caffeinated too, get them good and angry. All right, so add our Mountain Dew in there, and we're very gently going to shake this. Now this is best served in a mason jar, but I'm going to put it in a highball glass because I'm feeling fancy. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Southern Comfort, Mountain Dew, a little bit of ice. Redneck. Cheers.